final trade we have open right now. Obviously, this is Euro Japanese Yen, EJ. Basically, what we're looking at here, and this is a little different than a lot of the strategies that we like to use, but still a good one. We know that we are in an overall downtrend, right? And obviously, you know, the best position to sell was up here, of course, right? Dropped a ton, came down sort of to this area that it's rejected at, consolidated in a lot before, bought back up, you know, tested our trend line, came back down, right? Here we are in here in this previous rejection area, comes back up to tests, breaks through, okay? Now it comes back up, tests, and we got another solid rejection here. So we're in for, you know, sell. Came down, you know, and hit, you know, we're basically been slowly trying to come back down. So bias is to see it come to about right in here, 128.35 to be safe, we'll say. Let's do 128.4 to be safe, or even right in here probably is the best, that previous wick, this one right here. So we're looking at like 128.7 area is going to be a really good, another take profit. Hopefully you guys are protecting your trades, taking partials. I took a partial personally on this one. I know there's probably some people still holding it, but you know, it's broken structure, come back up to retest, broke through again, came back up, didn't even make it back up to here. We're stuck in this little consolidation area with the expectation that we're going to have it drop down and come back and retest on our trend line. Chances are it could come back up afterwards. Test probably at the bottom here, right in this area, 129.15, that sort of area. We want to see it come down, you know, hitting this area here. We'll take profits again, have it come back up a little bit, and then sort of just continue, you know, the downward stairs as we have a downtrend continuing for Euro Japanese Yen. But that's what we're looking at, sort of the strategy behind that one. We know we're in an overall downtrend. You know, it's broken through our trend line. It's come back up to retest and reject it again. We've had multiple rejections in key price areas, and then it comes back up to test, rejects again, and that's sort of what we're looking at right now as far as this trade is concerned. When it comes to the strategies that myself and Javi use, it's not our highest probability strategy. It's still a good one, but this is sort of what we're looking for here. You see it come back down, touch in this area, ideally come back down, test again on the trend line. Right in here would be the best. 128.4 would be amazing for that. And then, you know, see it come back up a little bit, retest, and continue to drop like I mentioned. So that's what we're looking at for Euro Japanese Yen. Obviously, we've got 3 swing trades running this week. You know, you're welcome to collect profits whenever you want. That's why we always suggest that you take partials and, you know, you move your stop loss to entry. Best situation is you take enough partials so that the trade that you're in no longer has sort of any you know, risk involved whatsoever, so that you can still have like a little bit of a stop loss, but even if it hits that stop loss, you don't have any risk. So that's what we're looking at for EJ. Thanks, guys.